It's May 1st, Fun Friday, and the first day of May, also known as May Day. And here's our word ladder with the topic of seasoning selection. So seasoning is our flavors, often spices that you add to your food. So we're starting down at the bottom. Salt is something people put on their food quite often. We're going to take away the ah and the ol in salt, and we're going to add ah. So we still have here we have at, sat. Okay, now we are going to take away s and add h, and we have at, hat. Now we're going to take away a and add ah, ah. So we still have ah, t. All right, now we're going to take away and add sh. So we're keeping the ah, t, and we're adding sh, ah, t. All right, now we're taking away t, 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 and we're adding p, p to the end. So we still have sh, ah, p, shop. Now we're going to take away sh and add h. So we have h, ah, p, hop. All right, now we're taking away h and adding p. So p, ah, p, pop. All right, now we're going to add to the end of pop. We're adding In order to do that, we're having pop here, and then some of you in Lexia have gotten to the lessons where you're adding a suffix, and you don't know if you should add another consonant, the same consonant, or not. But if we're adding to pop, it's going to take ER to do that. And if there's no extra P in the middle, so we do need an extra P. If there were not an extra P, this E would make that O say O instead of ah. So we would have a popper instead of a popper. So it says used for popping corn, a popper. So in order to have that O keep saying ah, we need to have two P's there. It's like a double barrier to keep that E from being in charge. And then the last thing we're doing is we are changing the ah in popper for eh. And it's a spice called pepper. And same thing here. If we only had one P here, it would say peeper. And you would not want to put peeper on your eggs or peeper on your salad. You want to put pepper on it. And so two P's, two consonants there make the barrier so that E is not in charge of that E. And it says eh. Okay, next is language arts.